So once again, my beautiful wife has given me a honeydew list, and on that list is cutting down this bush. And rather than me telling that bitch to cut it down her damn self, I'm stuck out here cutting it myself. And my chainsaw is not working right now, so I got a hand saw. Let's get started. It's just that simple. Well, so much for that. That one might need cut. Yeah, I'd say it's just a little bit dead. And it's just that simple. Let's go ahead and cut these down. Do you want these removed, hon?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. You okay?
This is why you get honeydew list, honey.
If only all honeydew lists were that easy.
And remember, don't hit your cameraman.
Next time, bitch, do it yourself.
I think you got the better deal on this. You cut down and I dig a hole.
It is what it is, honey.
That right there?
Yeah.
See, you're smart because you said that's where.
Wait a minute. Say that again.
Now I can whack.
No, those two words you just said.
You're no longer smart because now I can whack you.
Here, come here and hold the camera. I'll dig.
If I dig up your worms, you don't. You're gonna dig nothing.
Okay. Can you dig it? Yes, I can. Bitch, next time do it yourself. We're gonna cut out these bushes. You wanna take a look down at all these? They're not in bad shape. They're actually pretty healthy, but they were let go for a while before the last gardener started taking care of them. As you can tell by the gaps here and over there, and they're just way too big. And if I'm going to have bushes, they're going to be filled in. There's not going to be these gaps. So we're going to cut them out. We're going to trim them back quite a ways in order to be able to get in there with the chainsaw and cut them out. And we're going to do that with those as well. I can't even get a ladder over there to be able to pressure wash or do anything with the upstairs outside. So that's why those are coming out. Those aren't in as bad a shape as these, but they're just way too big. We're going to replace them with some smaller shrubs, maybe some ornamental decorative shrubs. We've also got to get rid of all this rock underneath them, and the edging is just pushed so deep in the ground. We got to take that out and straighten it up too. So let's go ahead and get started. Some manual tools. Get in here. So I got all these done with the bow saw. Where's it going? Now I just got this a little bit left. Still couldn't get the chainsaw up and going.